Welcome! It's day 14, month of July challenge. Look at my beautiful strawberries. They're ripening so slowly. It's been like a week since I've picked the first one and put it in my mouth, and it was so yummy. And they're just getting better and better. And look at this big one. Look at that. It's like an albino strawberry. It's so white, you can see the red inside there. That one was so juicy and delicious. How about we whip up some strawberry jam to slather on fresh homemade bread? So delicious! Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to treat yourself to some ice cream. Let your creativity shine!